Welcome to Bike Review Pro, your go-to source for expert motorcycle reviews and in-depth breakdowns. Today we're taking a detailed look at the 2026 Honda CRF 750L in striking red, a motorcycle that aims to redefine the midsize adventure and dual sport category. Designed to bridge the gap between serious off-road capability and practical on-road usability, the CRF 750L brings Honda's rally-inspired DNA into a versatile and compelling middleweight package. Overview of the 2026 Honda CRF 750L. The 2026 Honda CRF 750L represents a significant addition to Honda's adventure lineup, targeting riders who want genuine off-road performance without the intimidation and weight of a full-size adventure bike. Positioned between lightweight dual sports and heavyweight ADVs, the CRF 750L blends capability, comfort, and modern technology in a way that appeals to a wide range of riders, from seasoned adventurers to weekend explorers. The red colorway adds personality and presence, signaling both performance, intent, and Honda's rich off-road heritage. While details from Honda may vary slightly by region, the CRF 750L's core philosophy remains true. A motorcycle that is equally at home on dirt tracks, gravel roads, and paved highways. Design and styling. The 2026 CRF 750L's design is bold, purposeful, and unmistakably adventure-oriented. The front fascia features a high-mounted LED headlight and a slim, aerodynamic beak that pays homage to Honda's rally-ready CRF lineage. Honda's designers have combined ruggedness with refinement, clean bodywork panels, structured tank shrouds, and a minimalistic tail section give the bike a purposeful silhouette. The red paint scheme, complemented by contrasting accents and crisp graphics, reinforces the CRF 750L's energetic character. The overall stance is tall and confident, with a narrow waist and upright ergonomics designed to facilitate easily shifting body position while riding technical terrain. Functionality is built into the design. High clearance for obstacles, a robust skid plate protecting the lower engine area, and a balanced profile that inspires rider confidence in varied environments. Engine and performance. Under the CRF 750L's chassis is a newly developed 750cc twin-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine tuned for versatility and tractable power delivery. Honda has engineered this motor to produce a broad torque curve, giving riders strong pull from low RPMs, ideal for trail riding, hill climbs, and quick throttle responses in urban conditions. While peak power figures are tuned for real-world usability over outright peak horsepower, the CRF 750L's engine delivers smooth, predictable thrust across the rev range. This makes the bike responsive in city traffic and composed during highway cruising. A 6-speed gearbox ensures well-spaced ratios for both low-speed technical riding and relaxed cruising at higher speeds. The engine's character is refined, with Honda's engineering focused on reducing vibration and optimizing heat management, important factors when tackling long rides or demanding off-road sections. Chassis and handling. The steel semi-double cradle frame provides the CRF 750L with a strong backbone designed to deliver stability, agility, and durability. Honda's chassis tuning strikes the right balance between off-road connectivity and on-road composure. Long travel suspension components, typically an inverted front fork and a rear monoshock with adjustable settings, provide excellent bump absorption and wheel control. These components are engineered to handle rough trails, gravel tracks, and uneven terrain without sacrificing stability on paved surfaces. Ground clearance is generous, allowing riders to confidently tackle obstacles, rocks, and rugged paths. The CRF 750L's wheel sizes, typically a 21-inch front and 18-inch rear, reinforce its off-road capability while maintaining confidence and grip on asphalt. Braking is delivered through disc systems at both ends, with a refined ABS setup that can be adjusted or deactivated for off-road riding. The overall handling package ensures predictable and confidence-inspiring behavior regardless of surface conditions. Comfort and ergonomics. One of the standout qualities of the CRF 750L is its rider-centric ergonomics. The upright seating position, wide handlebars, and well-placed foot pegs allow for natural rider posture, whether seated or standing. This makes long days in varied terrain far less fatiguing than on many other midsize adventure bikes. The seat itself is designed for extended comfort, with supportive cushioning and a profile that enables easy movement when navigating tricky trails. The tank shape and bodywork allow riders to grip with their knees comfortably, offering better control in off-road sections. Wind protection is practical without being excessive. The fairing and windscreen combination delivers adequate airflow management on fast road sections while minimizing buffeting during slower, technical rides. Passenger comfort and luggage mount points provide added practicality for longer touring use, another indication that Honda intends this bike to be as versatile as possible. Technology and features. The 2026 CRF 750L integrates modern technology without overcomplicating its character. A full-color TFT display provides clear readouts for speed, gear position, fuel range, engine temperature, and more. Smartphone connectivity via Bluetooth enables navigation directions and basic notifications, making long rides more convenient. Selectable ride modes allow riders to tailor throttle response and traction control settings for different conditions such as urban, touring, gravel, or off-road terrain. Honda's traction control system is sophisticated enough to offer rider confidence, but remains intuitive and unobtrusive. LED lighting is standard throughout, giving improved visibility and energy efficiency. Additional features like USB charging ports and optional accessories such as heated grips and luggage systems add practicality for tourers. Practicality and touring capability. The CRF 750L is not just an off-road performer, it's a capable touring machine. With a fuel tank capacity that supports extended range, this bike is ready for cross-country rides without frequent stops. Its engine tuning prioritizes fuel efficiency and usable torque, creating a motorcycle that's easy to live with on long trips. Luggage compatibility and mounting points support a range of touring accessories, while the robust frame and suspension handle added weight with confidence. Maintenance intervals and overall build quality follow Honda's reputation for longevity and value, a key factor for riders who plan to put significant miles on their machines. Who the CRF 750L is for. The 2026 Honda CRF 750L Red is designed for riders who want a true dual-purpose motorcycle. It caters to adventurers who ride dirt trails on weekends and explore highway routes on weekdays. Its accessible weight, balanced power delivery, and intuitive handling make it suitable for riders stepping up from smaller dual sports, while its capability and refinement offer appeal to seasoned explorers seeking a lighter alternative to larger adventure bikes. This is a motorcycle built for those who value mechanical clarity, rider engagement, and versatility without unnecessary complication. Final thoughts. The 2026 Honda CRF 750L in red stands as a compelling addition to the mid-size adventure segment. With a capable twin-cylinder engine, modern electronics, balanced ergonomics, and genuine off-road capability, Honda has delivered a motorcycle that performs impressively across varied riding environments. Whether you're navigating rugged trails, commuting through the city, or cruising long highways, the CRF 750L delivers confidence, comfort, and excitement. It's a motorcycle that honors Honda's rally heritage while focusing on real-world usability. Stay tuned to Bike Review Pro for more detailed reviews, comparisons, and expert motorcycle insights shaping the future of riding.